I thought you were doing your intro.
You go.
Okay, what's up? It's Saturday morning, July 2nd. Yesterday was Canada Day, and we were out pretty late. I think Michelle might be a little tipsy still in the morning. We woke up, but there's deals to be had, and we're living the dream. Let's go. This is cool.
Oh yeah, that's nice.
Oh,
Nice. It's missing a handle.
Can I take it?
Is that like a cooler? No?
no, it's like
a bag?
It's like a purse. It's like a really weird material.
That's full of old stamps.
Yeah.
Okay.
Her uncle used to own Mayflower
Really?
Oh,
Yeah.
nice.
back in the States.
Okay. I don't think I've ever seen like.
Even the bag's cool.
Yeah, I
Very
think
cool.
it's kind of
Very
cool. Yeah, it's all old stamps that her brother used to collect back in the day. that
Yeah.
He's gone somewhere.
That's cool. Honestly. Very cool.
That's very cool.
How much are you asking on a lamp?
That one's hand painted.
Yeah.
At $20 for both.
$20.
But 15 works. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we go to garage sales. Like we have a YouTube channel where we go garage selling. We like buy and sell things online.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
So
What kind of things you looking at?
honestly, anything old and
See, he likes vintage clothes.
yeah,
and
like
toys,
clothes, toys.
And I like
She likes glassware.
and lamps and things.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I don't like that because it's hard to deal with when you're shipping and trying to get rid of that stuff.
Oh, yeah.
But she's the kind of person that'll buy something and then be like, oh, we'll sell it, and then she never sells it. She just keeps
I like
it.
to enjoy it first.
Well, we stumbled across a church sale. Haven't been to one all year. It's about time.
That is an artist that did that, a school teacher. Yeah.
Whoa! Yo.
Okay.
Bangers.
Okay. Those for sure.
For Elgin. Oh, yeah, you're up really good. We went to, last day before the day we come home, we went to Sawville. Oh, yeah, that's not good. The dairy started. Yes.
Good morning here.
Comic books and Pokemon back there.
Cool.
What do we pay?
I actually have some food.
Don't even carry.
Do we pay you?
Yeah.
What do I got here? I got 3 little books and 3 t-shirts.
What would you say?
The books we were selling for 50 cents, and
Okay.
the T-shirts, I don't know, $1. So
So,
what do you think,
So-
$4 for that?
Sure.
$4 or $5?
sounds great. $4. Sorry.
All goes to a good cause.
Yeah,
so-
my
How much?
wife's
Sorry. What do I?
$4.
What do you mean? Your wife carries all of them?
That's right. She's the boss. She wears the
I'm the
pants.
boss. I'm the boss.
She's the boss.
That's when I went to the grocery store and I got no money. I said, the wife's got it all.
Wife's got it. Exactly.
There we go.
Thanks, Captain. Have a great day.
Have a great day. Yeah, thanks for coming out.
Thank you. Holy moly, what a slapper.
Okay, that made up for the.
Made up for the whole garbage day.
The whole day, I think.
Honestly, like you low-key kind of are.
Huh?
You honestly do like somehow find the bangers.
Even though all the things that I enjoy are not.
But every time we find something actually good, you're the one that finds it. Your golf shoes, I think. Soccer cleats. This porcelain face barometer.
Barometer.
Yeah, that's cool.
$3. I'm getting it.
Go ahead.
You're a twin, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you remember me?
Oh my gosh, you were my teacher.
You and your sister?
Yes. Okay. Oh my gosh. Babe, time.
Wow! Congratulations.
How have you been?
I have been good.
Oh my gosh, I can't believe you recognize me still.
Well, you have the same face. And I,
Hey,
my
there
friend,
we go.
my friend Liz, I think I saw.
Yes, you
So
did.
Michelle and
Chantal.
Chantel.
Actually, it's funny because when I think about it, there's only 2 or 3 teachers that I remember, and one of them was Miss Green, and the other one was Mr. Gould from grade 8 or whatever.
Oh, Mr. Girl, yeah. He's out at Walford Rec Street.
Oh, is he? Oh, I didn't know he was still teaching. Oh, well, it's nice to see you. Here we go.
Whoa. Definitely grabbing that.
Oh, you got a bag already.
Yeah, she beat you to the punch.
I know.
She's like, I don't know if she's grabbing you one,
Yeah,
but
but we might need a second one.
That's
we
right.
might, honestly.
Okay, there you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Definitely
We'll use the second one for the stuff we find out here. Isn't that cool, though?
100%.
Never seen that before.
This is new tags.
Okay, nice. So what do we got here?
You got 3. I don't know what these are.
Okay. I'll come pay you.
All right.
Okay, so we got 3. I don't
This?
know what that was.
These don't have prices on them.
Those don't have
Oh,
prices.
50 cents.
Okay, 50 cents.
And this?
How about a buck?
Sounds good.
Here, I'll give you $5
her
for
5,
all.
yeah.
That's perfect.
Excellent. Thanks.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
It was so nice to see you. I'm glad to see that
You
you're.
look exactly the same.
Oh, that's awesome. You know what? It's funny.
People do say that all the
People
time.
do say that a lot. That I look the exact same as I did, and
Yeah.
so do you. Honestly,
Except for the
it's
white
funny.
hair.
No, that's fine. I feel like. Do you want your?
Seems a
hands?
hanger, yeah.
No, I'm glad to see you doing.
During COVID, I used to color my hair all the time.
Oh, yeah.
And during COVID, I was watching the roots go long, and I thought, I wonder what it would look like if I just let it grow.
Exactly, just let it.
And this is what it
No,
looks like.
it's beautiful.
It's gorgeous, yeah.
Honestly, it's probably so much easier than having to
It is.
dye
Worry
it.
about
I'm
it.
not putting chemicals in my hair.
Yes, exactly.
So that's
Exactly.
good. So is this your husband?
Yes,
Yeah,
this is my husband.
nice to meet you.
Yep,
I'm Ian.
Yep, this is Ian. We've been together since
Almost
we've been like 14
now.
years.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, we met when we were like high school. So
Oh,
yeah, we're a little
wow.
high school sweethearts.
Yep.
Hello. Well, the garage sales this morning, we're all kind of doo-doo, except for
No, not all of them.
yeah,
You're very harsh. It wasn't that bad.
except for the church one we ran across, which was a slapper, and Michelle found all the good stuff today.
Sure did, which is very rare because normally I just find all the things that I want to keep for myself. So,
Found at the church sale this polo, U.S. polo, with tags on it, new with tags. This was $1 due.
nice.
Which is nice. Simple.
And this is cool. I don't even, is this like a kid's one? It has to be.
Yes, this is from 1990.
It's gotta be some little kid's freaking fanny pack. Like, I can't even.
Adorable.
It's adorable. It's a nice color.
1990.
I could wear it as a
Headband. Sweet hat.
as a choker.
It's quite adjustable by the looks of it. That's the smallest it goes. But I mean, you can't fit anything in that. And then
It's cool.
Michelle found this
Barometer.
barometer
Barometer. Yeah.
made in France.
Made in France.
It's pretty. We are putting it in the booth.
Yeah.
Banger.
Gives some nice definition.
And then the other thing that saved the whole day.
Yes, because we were kind of like, we weren't even sure if we were gonna continue with the yard sales. We were like, let's just like go to the farmer's market or something. But then the first one I found was the Backstreet Boys single stitch. Like, oh my God, you just can't get any better than that. Look at that. Oh my God, so cool. I wish it would fit me. It's never gonna fit me in a million years. It looks like a youth size, so who knows if it will ever sell, but it was cool. And then we found the fun Spice Girls one, which then you mentioned after.
Yeah, I think it's homemade.
It's probably like a homemade one because it literally has this girl's name in it.
No, it might not be.
But I don't know, it's a medium.
The print looks weird. I don't know. There's something about the print that looks kind of weird to me, but
I guess you'll just never know. You'll
It's a
have to look
dollar.
into it.
it'll still sell.
And then the cool New Kids on the Block.
Yep.
And it's got the nice
Back print.
back print too. So these are all, I don't even think the tags out of this one. But after I saw the Backstreet Boys ones, I was like, I don't care, I'm getting all of them.
This one's got spiders and eggs on it.
Yeah. And then you found a couple comics.
Yeah, and then these are just 50 cents. So, Marvel Superhero Island Adventures, $19.99, and Sonic the Hedgehog, and then just a Pokemon book. Everybody loves Pokemon. This is from 1998. Look inside for special offer. Is there a special offer? Ooh, with stickers.
Wow.
But
And
that's
then,
that. Oh.
and then, which I don't know, did they see the interaction with my old teacher?
Oh yeah, probably.
Okay, so while we were at that church sale, a lady came up to me and asked if I was a twin. And I was like, yes. And she's like, do you remember me? And then I was looking at her and like, yes, I did remember her. She was my 3rd grade teacher, Miss Reed. She was the best teacher that I remember. And she said that I look the exact same as I did as a kid, apparently. And yeah, I have very fond memories of her. She taught us a lot.
That's as big as it goes.
Huh?
This is as big as it goes.
But anyways, shout out to you, Miss Reed, if you ever see this.
That'd be weird.
That would be weird, wouldn't it?
It doesn't go much bigger.
Doesn't go any bigger. So it's definitely kids.
Or a really small human.
Or really small adults, yes. What is it from? 1990. Very cool.
Whoever fits
Love
in
it.
these shirts could probably fit in this.
Yes, exactly. Maybe it was
Anyways.
hers.
Right now we are heading to the booth.
Our booth.
Our booth, gotta get it all finished up.
Finish that up. It's almost there.
So we'll see you there.
Bye. There's no Piper. It just doesn't feel
Yeah.
right.
Piper's with my parents.
Yeah.
She's at Grandma and Grandpa's house today.
Yep. She's gonna be so mad
Yep.
that we filmed a video without her.
Oh, no.
Sorry, Piper.
Wow, I wasn't recording that whole time.
Are you serious?
Fuck. I literally just walked through every single thing. I just filmed this whole thing and didn't hit record. We're doing it again. Hoodie. Champion. Adidas. Jersey. Single stitch. Bob Marley double print. Oh, Pollen Shark. Oh, Disney Parks. Jersey. T-Swift. Vincy Pooh. Look at this guy. Handsome. Slash. Single stitch. Rockaware. Oh, Silhouette. Oh, denim. Cheap denim. Michigan State. Ohio State. Champion. Ohio State. Winnie the Pooh. Kappa. Starter. Atelier New Regime. Western University Embroidered. Oh. Nike. Small check. Polo Wings. Depeche Mode. Redskins. Single stitch Apex. Barbra Streisand double hit with a horrible tie-dye. Kid Rock double hit. Oh, New England Patriots 90s. Monster Garage quad hit. Ridiculous. Then we got hats. Hats. My wife just said, guess what?
I'm supporting our neighbors because their booth is 50% off today.
Wall.
So
So we're buying things instead of selling things. Hats.
we can do both.
Hats. Get you a woman that can do both. Hats. Not hats. Oh, look at this right there. Delicious. Tapes. Oh, this doesn't come out. Tapes. Doesn't come out very good. How to fix that? Toys. JC Chazé and Sync, baby. Yu-Gi-Oh! This nerd. Lion King wall stickers. Delicious. Dragon Ball. Oh, everything's delicious. Oh, wrestling. A whole thing of wrestling.
They're all gonna love it.
Look at this tick boy. Delicious. Gargoyles. Trolls. This we bought at another booth and put it in our booth. Savage. Oh, Chucky. Look at that bird. Look at that. Star Wars. Lightsabers. CD player. Yugi. Michelle's shelf. What? Almost. Delicious. Winnie. Cabbage Patch Kids. More hats for some reason. Men in black. It's just so much. All right, we are officially, I'm saying officially first version set up. There's some things I need to bring still that I forgot again today,
There's
but
a few things, but it's
other
fine.
than that, we're good.
We're good. It's good to go for now.
I bet that fan noise was great. Michelle's buying something. I'm not buying nothing. 50% off. We're good. Look at all this delicious records. We need to bring our records here at some point, but I have to find something to put them in. Look what's still here. Look what's still here. I need to buy it, but it's still here. Delicious. It's still $100.
Well, we gotta.
Oh, look at this guy.
We gotta become friends with whoever has this.
25 cents.
Are you listening to my plan?
$14.
Are you listening to my plan?
I should do that. What?
Are you listening? Stop. Are you listening to my plan?
Yes.
We just have to befriend the people that. Yeah. We have to befriend the people that have this.
And then,
And then we can't go to people that
yeah.
And then we get them a good deal on something that we have in our.
Genius. We need to make friends with the people so I can get Randy's gut. Okay, we're out of here. I never stop. Yeah, we just talked to the big boss man. He checked on our sales for yesterday. We didn't really have a full day, and today it's only what, 2 in the afternoon, and we're close to $150 apparently.
So no, he said $80-something today.
Yesterday.
Yesterday.
And then we already sold.
Yeah, $15. He said we've.
Hell yeah, 115.
Mine is $8 because I just paid for the.
Yeah, and then Michelle spent 8 of it already. But that's okay. That's pretty good for a day and a half at the mall that we were unsure about. Happy.
And that's before any of our, are you still going?
Yeah.
That's before any of our family has known about it and come to support us.
That's right.
So, that's good.